Understanding Rookie Mistake, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, rookie mistake. This video is designed to help you understand what this phrase means, how to use it, and in which contexts it is typically used. So, let's dive into the world of idiomatic expressions and expand your English vocabulary together. The term, rookie mistake, refers to an error made due to inexperience. The word, rookie, originally comes from sports and military contexts, meaning someone new to the field or activity. When we say someone made a rookie mistake, we imply that the error happened because they are new to the situation or lack experience in that particular area. To better understand rookie mistake, let's look at some examples. 1. Forgetting to save a document. Imagine you've been working on a document for hours and forget to save it. If your computer crashes and you lose your work, someone might say, that's a rookie mistake. They mean you made a basic error that a more experienced person would likely avoid. 2. Overpacking for a trip. If you're traveling for the first time and you pack too many things, only to find out it's hard to carry so much luggage, this could be called a rookie mistake. It's a common error for those new to traveling. 3. Speaking too fast during a presentation. If you are new to public speaking and you speak too quickly out of nervousness, leading to confusion among the audience, this can be labeled a rookie mistake. Now, let's learn how to incorporate this phrase into your everyday English. Acknowledging your own mistake. I realized I forgot to attach the file in the email. That was a rookie mistake on my part. Giving advice to others. Make sure to double-check your work before submitting it. You don't want to make a rookie mistake. In casual conversation, he put salt instead of sugar in the cake? Sounds like a rookie mistake. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, rookie mistake. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of learning and growing, whether in language learning or any other field. So, don't be discouraged by your rookie mistakes. Instead, embrace them as stepping stones to becoming proficient. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.